She says thank you. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead and give her the gift. And then, smile for the camera, baby. Hi, baby. Okay. Happy birthday to you, Hazel. Go ahead. And smile. You have a special greeting for Hazel. Okay. Thank you so much, Princess. You may now hand over your gift. She has one in either hand, so come over here, baby. Okay.
Happy birthday, Hazel.
Sabi mo kay Mare, wish mo.
Oh, wish mo daw.
Wish mo, Mare.
Magkumare. Okay.
Ang wish mo kay Mare.
Wish mo kay Mare. Sana, ano?
Nahiya na kita, Eden. Okay. So, baby, bigay mo na ang iyong regalo. You have a greeting for Hazel?
Happy birthday, Hazel.
My wish?
Sana lumami pa ang birthday mo.
Wow, definitely. So, she can celebrate with you, di ba? Thank you so much, Eliza.
Go ahead.
Give to her. Yan.
Hi. Ito tingin yung camera. Isa.
And last but so. Yes. So participants for the 7 frozen items, please. Be ready. Hi, Michelle.
Happy birthday, Hazel. I hope you satisfied and that will always present.
Wow, very beautiful message. You, of course, also, because Papa Jesus will be blessing the two of you, di ba? Thank you, Michelle. Anong dala-dala? For that, may souvenir picture kayo ni Princess Elsa.
Closer, closer.
Alright? Is it a doll?
Daw ba siya? Or the...
O, basta meron siyang special na regalo for you. You want to say happy birthday? And she says happy birthday. See? She said thank you. So you may bring her. Sure, baby. Yes, take ka muna para. After the 7 gifts,